ya khri du kanyam catholic bodon iwei point sau phu billion ne shi spa sau phu klul ngot kri pai du ngai kleng ga pathai la pandep ya jing tep don borom ha afro trik yong ajab san harum pa ba khu ipu francis ba prapu prasnem ka ta la khat no ha afro trik yong ajab san di kelak ngut ki reu ngai ka balang catholic la tu ha kini kisi ba nai pai khat du yo kamat jong pu francis harum badai nari latin america nora kinong yalam yang kiri ba fair ka pathai untuk presiden ka america donald trump presiden ka france emmanuel macron bat kiwi kira saki hani ki jingle boram khadu ya upu mutrang ba ka jila me khaya ro konat ke sama oleh ban le boram khadu ya upu francis kumba alak ngut chiteng gi pai ba saski kira saki ha kata ki jaka nora keleng gi ba simenta ka jingle boram ha ki jaka ba fair jong kiri ka pathai
I feel truly blessed today to be part of the funeral service of Pope Francis. I had the opportunity to meet him a couple of years back, and today to be part of the funeral service is very solemn, and I truly feel very, very blessed. And today, even on his funeral, like he did when he was alive, he united people, and even today in his funeral he has united people from all over the world today have come to pay their respects to Pope Francis. We will miss him, and may his soul rest in eternal peace.